Hey guys, check out this gate latch I have here I'm going to install. And I just pulled everything out of the box. It's got some nice heavy duty latches here. You can see the thickness on that. It's all powder coated. You've got a hinge back here. This is what we're going to secure to the gate. So it's going to go on this side like that. This piece will go to the gate. And then this piece here is going to stand on the post right there, or get secured to the post. And then this thing just goes right down there like that. And you can line up whichever hole you want. Right there. Has some fastening screws here. And then also a nice lock. So this lock will, right here, will fit down in the two there. You pop your lock down through there. Has some keys as well with it. Okay, for installing it on this gate, we just cut this piece out right here. And it's going to sit like that. We're going to put some U-bolts on there to hold it in place. So here's kind of the idea. We're just sandwiching this block in between with the U-bolt to the fence here. We'll come along here and we'll mount our hitch right here. The gate latch, I should say, here and here. You can see one of the nice things is it's got this little cutout in the latch right here. That way you can just rotate it and get access to each of the 4 screws that you need to, holes that you need to put the screws in. All right, here we go. Here's the full installation. Got the U-bolts there. Here's the latch right there. Yep, open it up. Now we can put our lock down through it. Now we're able to lock it. There we go. Really like this latch. Thanks for watching, everybody.